Engineer Paulo Miguel Rafael Fabogais.
Good afternoon to our school head, teachers, parents, barangay officials, guests, and most especially to the graduates of Nabilong Elementary School. It is truly an honor and a blessing to be back here in the same school where my journey began. Years ago, I was also sitting where you are sitting right now, wearing the same toga, listening to speeches, and if I'm being honest, sometimes wondering, madugay pa ba ni mahuman? Life is funny sometimes. Back then, I never imagined that one day I would stand here as a guest speaker. I never imagined that I would become an engineer. And to be very honest, I also never imagined to be blessed with such a beautiful partner in life. Mao jud na ang kinabuhi. Life can surprise us in ways we don't expect. So this year's theme is Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Nindot kayo ning nga team because it reminds us that being graduate is not only about finishing school. It is also about becoming the kind of person who is ready who is ready for life. What does this mean? Competence means being capable. It means you study well, you learn, you improve, and you do your best. Sa ado pa, naningkamot jud mo. You are willing to prepare yourself so that one day you can do your responsibilities well. And character means who you are as a person. It is about your values, your attitude, your discipline, and the way you treat other people, even when no one is watching. Mao ni ang tinuod nga sukod sa pagkatawo. Kaya bisan unsa pagkataas sa imong grado, kung wala kay saktong pamatasan, lisod gyapon ka malahutay sa kinabuhi. Your intelligence can bring you somewhere, but your character will determine how far you will go. When I was a student here, just like you, I also had dreams. Simple ra kaya akong sugod. I was just a child sitting in one of the classroom of this school, listening to my teachers, studying my lessons, joining activities, and hoping for a good future. At that young age, wala pa ko kabaloon sa dagan sa kinabuhi. I do not know yet where life will take me. But one thing is for sure, every small step matters. Every lesson matters. Every good habit matters. Every prayer matters. And every act of kindness matters. Because the person you become in the future starts with the choices you make even while you are still young. As a student, I also experienced struggles. Dili man permi sa'yo ng pag-eskwela, naay panahon kapuyon ta, naay panahon nga lisod sabto ng lesson, naay panahon nga ma-discourage ta. Ug naapoy panahon nga gusto na lang ta moingon, kapoy naman ni oy. But one thing I learned is, growth does not only happen in the classroom, inside the classroom. We grow through challenges, we grow through responsibilities, through teamworks, through mistakes. And sometimes we grow through even through failure. There are moments in life when I succeeded, and there are also moments in life I failed. But every experience taught me something valuable. Tungod niini nga pagsulay, nahimo kong mas disiplinado, mas likod, ug mas andam pa sa pagkatubang sa tinuod nga kinabuhi. And more than that, those experiences help shape my values, my faith, and my character. All of this help shape who I am today. So to all the graduates, I want you to remember this. Your grades can open doors, but your character will keep those doors open. Ang inyong grado makahatag og oportunidad, pero ang inyong maayong batasan mao jud ang magpabilin o magpadayon niini. Because in the future, people may admire your achievements, but they will remember how you treated others. They will remember if you are respectful, if you are honest, if you are responsible, and they will remember your character. Maybe some of you are thinking today, what if I fail? What if I'm not the best? What if dili ko pareha sa uban nga maayo? Let me be honest with you. I was not always the best in everything. Dili jud ta permi nga pinakamaayo sa tanang butang. Ug okay ra jud na. There were times I struggled. There were times I felt unsure. And there are also times I doubted myself. But success is not about being perfect all the time. Success is about showing up. Success is about trying again. Success is about getting up after you fall. And success is about not giving up. Padayon lang jud bisan lisod. When I started working as an engineer, I did not know everything. Imagine being surrounded by experienced professionals, and there I was, thinking silently, kaya ba na ako niya akong isudlan? But instead of giving up, I choose to learn. I asked questions. Nangutan ako. I listened. Naminaw ko nila. I made mistakes. Nasayupod ko, and little by little, I improve. Nakato na jud ko eventually. That is competence. Being willing to learn. And that is character. Choosing to do what is right even when it is difficult. So if ever you feel small, if ever you feel weak, if ever you feel you are not yet enough, remember this. You do not need to know everything right away. Dili mo kinahanglan makabalo sa tanan, dayon-dayon. What matters is that you are willing to learn. What matters is that you keep on trying. What matters is that you did not give up. And what matters is that you keep a good heart while growing. So today, let me leave you with 3 simple reminders. First, dream, but work for it. Dreams are beautiful, dreams inspire us, but dreams will only stay dreams if you do not work for them. Sayon ra kaayo magdamgo, pero kinahanglan jud nato ni paninggamutan aron matinuod. If you want to become a teacher, study well. If you want to become a nurse, work hard. If you want to become an engineer, a police officer, a seaman, a business owner, or whatever profession in life you want someday, start building your future now through discipline, effort, and prayer. Dili kinahanglan dako dayon nimong lihok. Even small step matters. Basta padayon lang. Second, stay humble. No matter how far you go in life, never forget where you came from. Ayaw jud kalimot sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong teachers, ug sa inyong eskwelahan nga nahimong pundasyon sa inyong pagsugod. Always remember the people who help you. Always remember your roots. Always stay respectful. Because ang tinuod na success is not only measured by position, money, or title. Ang tinuod na success is also measured by humility. Third, have faith. Believe in yourself and trust in God. Salig sa inyong kaugalingon ug salig gid sa Ginoo. There will be days when life will be confusing. There will be days when things will not go your way. There will be days when you feel tired and discouraged. But never lose faith. Ayaw jud wala inyong pagsalig o pagtuo. Dili man nato makita dayon ang tanang tubag sa kinabuhi, pero kung maningkamot ta ug mosalig ka sa Ginoo, naara jud na siya plano para nato. God sees your effort. God sees your prayers. God sees your heart. And in His perfect time, He will guide you where you are meant to be. At this point, I also want to honor the parents. To all the parents here today, congratulations. Ato silang palakpakan. This success is not only for your children. This is also for you. Ang inyong sakripisyo, kakugi, gugma, ug walay puas nga pagsuporta, mao jud na ang isa sa rason nganong naabot sa inyong anak naabot inyong mga anak niining mahinungdanong higayuna. You woke up early for them, you work hard for them, you provided for them, you prayed for them, and you never stop believing in them. Pwede ba mangayo ko gamay ng pabor? Sa tanang ginikanan nga aniya karon, pwede ba ta manindog? Mga graduates, tanawan ninyo inyong ginikanan, inyong mama o papa o kung kinsa man ang nangatiman ninyo. Sila ang una ninyong teacher, sila ang unang nitulo ninyo paglakaw, pagsulti, pagampo, pagbangon, kung mapandol manggani mo. Sila ang pirmeng naa sa inyong likod, sa kalipay man o sa kalisod. Karong adlaw, ato silang pasalamatan. So, in the count of 3, magdungan taog ingon, salamat ma, salamat pa. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Salamat ma, salamat pa. Okay na. Okay na, pwede nang lingkod. And of course, to the teachers, daghang salamat sa inyong pasensya, sakripisyo, ug dedikasyon. Dili lalim ang pagtudlo, dili lalim ang paggiya sa mga bata adlaw-adlaw. But because of your hard work, you continue to shape minds, build dreams, and mold the future of our community. You do more than teach lessons. You inspire, you guide, you correct, you encourage, and you help children believe in themselves. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much to all our teachers. Maraming salamat. Ato silang palakpakan. And now to the graduates. As you move forward, bring with you not just your medals, your certificates, or achievements, but more importantly, the lesson you learned here in Nabilog Elementary School. Bring with you your dreams, your discipline, your kindness, your respect, your faith, and bring with you your good character that will guide you wherever you go. Sa kaadlaw, bubalik mo dinhi o ma-realize ninyo na kining gamay pero espesyal nga eskwelahan, mao di ang sinugdanan sa dagkong damgo sa inyong kinabuhi. And who knows, basin usapon ninyo, mutindog diri pohon, matag sa iyang speech, mo inspire sa next generation of graduates. So go forward with confidence, go forward with courage, go forward with competence, and most importantly, go forward with character. Congratulations, graduates of Nabilog Elementary School. Daghang salamat and God bless you all.